Huh? Sir. Good morning, sir. Class start అయింది అదే అదే నేను అది తర్వాత కాల్ చేస్తాను మీరు తర్వాత తీసుకుంటాను మరి కాల్ చేస్తాను ఓకే సార్ రైట్ సార్ So anyway, good morning, students. So anyway, today we're gonna focus on Miller indices. Basically, they are very, very important to understand the directions and planes in any crystal. Okay, as we discussed yesterday about the primitive cell, unit cell for various crystal systems, like simple cubic crystals, body center cubic crystal, and FCC phase center cubic crystal. For each one, you have the different fractional coordinates. As you can see here, we have the for BCC especially. You have the 0, 0 coordinate, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So there is a negative. There is a bar on top of the one which indicates negative y-axis. Coming to the I just want to make you guys okay. Friends, you have to mute. First listen the class, students. So these are all the coordinates of the BCC crystals. Like it, you have the 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Or like if you have the bar on top of the one which indicates negative axis. What is this? Negative axis. Okay. So it indicates negative axis. Like negative minus 1 means z axis means negative z, negative y, negative x. Okay. And you can also have the 211, 200 planes. What it indicates, this is exactly parallel to this. Suppose you have the 100, 200. What we call this, tell me? 300, etc. All these are actually, they are parallel planes. What do you call it? Parallel planes, like 1, 2, 3, like that. So they're all parallel, 100, 200, 300, 400. The properties of all these planes are same, beta. Okay. Moving into the FCC. So as you know that for BCC, primitive cell is not equal to unit cell. In FCC also, primitive cell is not equal to unit cell. So for FCC, the coordinates, you have to note down these coordinates, fractional coordinates. 0, 0 exists, 1, 0, 0 exists, 0, 1, 0 exists. These are all 3 x, y, z. Okay. Then x, y, okay, xz, yz, xyz, and these are all actually phase center. Like from phase you have, right, like one ultimate phase. For that, half of 0, half 0 of 0 half, etc. So for phase center, you have the distance from the center of the phase to the edge of that cell, half distance, right? It's not a 1. So for that, you have these all coordinates. For BCC, you don't have that. Simple cubic, you don't have that. But FCC, you have these all coordinates. Note down this, okay? So why we are getting half of? Because the atom is sitting at the faces of the unit cell. So for which one, like you can check this is actually x, y, right? So 1 1 become a half half xy plane, which indicates like half half 0. Then next half 0 half 0 half half. So 3 halves, half 1 half, like that. Okay. So this is for FCC. Okay. We'll discuss. We don't have much this about here, because you're gonna study again MSc also, MSc physics also you're gonna study, MSc chemistry also you're gonna study all this stuff. So you can see how the crystal behaves. So this is like a not as unit cell, this entire crystal, like it's rotating around a particular axis. So the crystal, when it's rotate, how it's moving with respect to the one axis. Okay, very good. So I just kept this image to visualization, like how, what is actually, what is the crystal? Single unit cell also there. When you build it, it become like a crystal. Okay. Moving into, as I mentioned just now, this is a very, very important slide to remember, guys. Very, very important to remember. Note down, beta. This is, you just note down this point. What is this? There are 14 Bravais lattices and 7 crystal types. Should remember this. How many? Very important question for competitive exams. All like MSc entrances, they are going to ask this question. How many Bravais lattices there? 1 4. How many crystal types there? 7. How many Bravais lattices? 14. How many crystal systems? 7.
7.
Yes, note down, this is very important, beta. Coming to the, but what are 7 actually? First, let us discuss the 7 crystal types. The first one is cubic crystal. First one is cubic crystal. How many there? How many types of cubic crystals? 3. What are they? Simple cubic, body center, face center. Is it clear? Cubic crystal system.
Yes, sir.
There are 3 types. The first one is simple cubic, body center, face center. So there are 3.
Center, face center.
14 beta. How many total? All together, this total should come out 14. Okay, and this should be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So cubic, first type is cubic crystal system, which we are going to study, focus more this class. And the second one is hexagonal crystal. I'm going to show this all in like a, like a 3D way. I'm going to show each one movie type so that you can imagine, wow, this is going to be cubic, this is going to be hexagonal, this is going to be triclinic, monoclinic, orthorhombic, tetragonal, trigonal. All this system I'm going to show in the next class, visualization. Okay. When we were in MSc, when we were in degree level, we didn't have this kind of visualization technique. But when we have a technology developed, so I can show you how they looks. Okay. I'm going to show you. Okay. అది మీకు చాలా అంటే విజువలైజేషన్ కి పనికొస్తుంది. అంటే ఒకవేళ 3D లో ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనేది it give you like so much motivation to study the crystals. So second one is hexagonal, only how many? 1. Okay, it's like a primitive beta, only 1. Triclinic crystal, only 1. Simple. So what is S means? Simple cubic. S means simple cubic, primitive. Triclinic also only 1. Monoclinic crystal system, how many? Simple cubic and base center. So there are 2. How many? 2. Orthorhombic crystal system, how many? Simple, base center, BC, FC. So how many? 4. How many? 4.
4.
Beta, you have to remember this. All 7 and each one how many? Definite question till you are like, suppose you are going to attempt a lot of competitive exams. PhD, MSc, every exam, one question from this slide. Even if you are going to write competitive exams like, lecturer jobs, like, even teacher jobs, whatever, the basic question, not teacher, but high level, definitely this question will be there. Okay. So the next, tetragonal crystal system. There are two, simple cubic, base center. So I'm going to write two. Rhombohedral, trigonal crystal system, only one. So now you can add 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. Is it clear? Naveen, did you note down? Sushma?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please note down better. This is very important slide. I mean, how do we remember, sir? I'm going to tell the techniques later, how we need to remember all these 14 and 7. So you should give us some code language like CH, TM, OTT, CH, TM, OTT. So you should remember like 7 like this. CHTM OTT. CHTM OTT. Like you should give some names for this. So C means cubic, H means hexagonal, T means triclinic, M means monoclinic, O means orthogonal, first T means tetragonal, trigonal. So CHTM OTT, CHTM OTT, and each one you should remember how many. So first you need to remember this CHTM-OTT. So if someone asks you what are the 7 types, CHTM-OTT you should keep in the brain. CH means C means cubic, H means hexagonal, T means triclinic, M means monoclinic, O means orthogonal, T means tetragonal, and another T is trigonal. Did you remember? Did you note down, beta?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes. So I can see only 23 members today. I don't know. I'm not sure why it's so less today. But anyway, we'll see. Maybe they're going to add in 5 minutes. But don't come for only attendance, guys. I don't like this, attending only for attendance. The class, you should attend, to learn something, not to come for only, attendance purpose. Okay. I want you to, I told you yesterday, you should tell your friends, how do you feel about class? How do you feel about class? Like how it's important to your life. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మీకు ఐఐటి సీట్ రావాలి, ఎంఎస్సిలో, ఐఐసి బెంగళూరులో చేయాలి, ఐఎజర్లో చేయాలి అనే వాళ్ళకి డెఫినెట్గా మై క్లాసెస్ ఆర్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్. సో యూ షుడ్ టెల్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అబౌట్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ క్లాస్. సార్ ఇట్లా చెప్తున్నాడు, సార్ ఈ కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ అమెరికా, హీ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరింగ్ థింగ్స్ లైక్ ఎనీథింగ్ అని చెప్పి మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ని కన్విన్స్ చేసి ఆస్క్ దెమ్ టు అటెండ్ మై క్లాస్. So from tomorrow onwards, I will try to stick up with one timings. Anyway, work from home, రేపటి నుంచి మన క్లాసెస్ ఇంటి నుంచే కాబట్టి తీసుకుంటాను. సో I'll fix the one time and maybe morning. You tell me what time you want. I'll take it. మీకు ఏ టైంలో మీకు, if you want to take class even evening or morning, I'm okay to take class, but I want more members. Okay, you discuss in the group, you tell your friends and come up with one conclusion about physics class. Yes, we are very much, sir, interested. This time helps a lot for us. Evening 5, evening 6, or morning 7, 8, whatever time. So I want to definitely I'll help you for that. Okay, I know that you guys don't have some mobile phones. Whenever they have available morning or evening, I'm okay to take classes. Okay. Is it clear, these 7 systems and 14 Bravais lattice?
Yes, sir.
Did you note down? Basan, Naveen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. If tomorrow I'm going to ask, you have to tell 7 types of crystal names and Bravais lattice 14. You should able to answer. When someone asks you, how many types of Bravais lattice cubic crystal? 3, sir. If someone asks you hexagonal, 1, sir. Triclinic, 1, sir. Monoclinic, 2, sir. Orthorhombic 4, sir. Tetragonal 2, sir. Trigonal 1, sir. You should able to answer it. Okay? CHTMOTT. Naveen, you are going to tell tomorrow first person. I'm going to ask you.
Okay, sir.
So you should come tell that 14 Bravis lattice, 7 crystal system names. Tomorrow, first person you have to tell this. This is very important. Next couple of classes, I'll ask someone. You have to. This is very important. Every class tomorrow, day after tomorrow, first question you have to tell this. If you are expert this, the entire solution physics is easy. Okay, right.
Okay, sir.
So,
Sure, sir.
Naveen, you take attendance whenever you see the 30 members or like, around 30. You can take
Okay, sir.
attendance and send it to me like you did yesterday.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. This is the next coming to the... Okay, QNC, now excited to see the previous lattices. As I mentioned just now in the previous slide about, I told you, right? Cubic, how many types? 3. Primitive, simple cubic, body center, and face center. Is it clear? So cubic, how many times I told you? 3, right? Tetragonal, how many? 2.
2.
Right? I think hexagonal should come here, but it doesn't matter. I mean, it doesn't matter, but you should keep a sentence, like you can make something CH whatever to remember all 7, or you can make a sentence. I want to ask all of you, make one word of easy to remember, like HOT heart, maybe HOT heart, something you can make one word to remember like anything. Okay, take first letters. Take first letters, all 7 letters. Make a one word which is easy to remember. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
Okay,
this
sir.
is the question to all of you. Whoever comes tomorrow with a good sentence, good word, combination with 7 first letters of the cubic crystals. Okay? So definitely వాళ్ళకి మంచి gift ఉంటుంది. Right? You try, make one word which may be meaningless or which may be meaning, but easy to remember. ఆ 7 letters ఉండేటట్టుగా ఒక వర్డ్ రావాలి, అందరికి ఈజీగా గుర్తుండేటట్టుగా. ఓకే, సో cubic crystal 3, tetragonal 2, orthorhombic I told you 4, right? So their structure should be like this. Primitive we know already, body center we know that, face center we already know. This is actually, there are 2 atoms, only 2 faces. Okay, and hexagonal there should be 2, oh sorry, only 1. Hexagonal only 1, trigonal 1, monoclinic 2, triclinic 1. And this is what you should keep in the brain. This is how you should keep in the brain. But one more thing you should understand these conditions. Crystal lattice parameter. What is the relation between ABC, alpha, beta, gamma? What are these, Nana? I told you this. These are actually lattice parameter, right? I told you ABC, alpha, beta. What are these? Lattice parameters. And you should able to remember the relation between them for each crystal. This is also important question. For all these 3 cubic crystals, what is the condition, beta? This is the condition. A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Did you remember? So for cubic crystal, A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is 90. అంటే అన్ని యాంగిల్స్ 90 degrees ఉంటాయి, అన్ని lengths equal. So for all these cubic crystals, you should remember that A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Coming to the tetragonal, beta. Tetragonal. So tetragonal, you can think about it. So what is the tetragonal? So tetragonal A is equal to B, not equal to C. Not equal to C. But alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. So these second condition is same. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. For this also second condition same. So how to remember, sir, these three? Very easy to remember, beta. First, A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Second one, A is equal to B, but not equal to C. Third one, A not equal to B, B not equal to C. అంటే సీక్వెన్స్ చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ కేసులో అన్ని ఈక్వల్. క్యూబిక్ క్రిస్టల్ కేసులో A is equal to B, B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. బట్ టెట్రాగోనల్కి వచ్చే వరకు ఏమైంది? ఒక C నాట్ ఈక్వల్. ఈ థర్డ్ కండిషన్ మూడు సిస్టమ్స్ కి సేమే. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. All these three same. But this way, length లకు వచ్చే వరకు ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో A is equal to B equal to C. Second one, A is equal to B but not equal to C. Third one, A not equal to B not equal to C. Did you remember this one now? How to remember? Do you guys got it?
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes. So keep in the brain just like 1 minute, memorize, not memorize but understand things. Cubic means A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. Tetragonal, A is equal to B but not equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. For orthorhombic, A not equal to B not equal to C, but alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. So we have clear first three. Coming to the hexagonal, beta. So hexagonal, what is hexagonal? So here the condition completely different. So A is equal to B but not equal to C. But angles ఎట్లా ఉన్నాయి? Alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 ఉంటుంది. Gamma become 120. So ఎట్లా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలంటే C నాట్ ఈక్వల్, గామా కూడా నాట్ ఈక్వల్ చూడండి. సో C equal కాదు, it's different from the AB, and gamma also different than alpha beta. Alpha beta same 90 ఉంటుంది. Okay, then coming to monoclonic. So monoclonic, when you come here, A not equal to B not equal to C. So these two are same, beta, almost same. Monoclonic case, all are not equals. A not equal to B not equal to C. Triclinic also A not equal to B not equal to C. But here angles alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90, beta not equal to 120, right? Okay, two people are there, I can add them. So then triclinic case, what happened? All are not equal. Triclinic, all are not equal. Okay, so trigonal is A is equal to B is equal to C, and B alpha equal to beta equal to gamma not equal to 90. So ivanni kuda it's a very important, beta, how to remember. And I would give the best to remember. I already mentioned it. First three ela gurtunchukovali, last four ela gurtunchukovali. First three anedi easy to remember. Cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, all angles are same. Only A is equal to B is equal to C. Then tetragonal, A is equal to B but not equal to C. A not equal, B not equal to C. Coming to the hexagonal case and a monoclonic case, they are like, very close relation. A is equal to B but not equal to C. But monoclonic వచ్చే వరకు A not equal, B not equal to C. But ఇక్కడ alpha beta 90 అవుతుంది, gamma 120. ఇక్కడ బీటా 120 నాట్ 120 ఉండదు, బట్ ఆల్ఫా గామా 90. ఇక్కడేమో ఆల్ఫా బీటా 90, ఇక్కడ ఆల్ఫా గామా 90. ఇక్కడ గామా 120, ఇక్కడ బీటా ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 120. ఇట్ కుడ్ బి ఎనీథింగ్. సో ట్రైక్లినిక్ ఆల్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్. All are not equal. Triclinic is easy to remember, beta. All are not equal. A not equal, B not equal to C, and alpha not equal, beta not equal to C. That is not equal to 90. Trigonal is all are equal, but not 90. Is it clear?
Yes.
I hope you understand, Anna. I hope you understand now. ఓకే యూ
Yeah.
ట్రై
Okay, sir.
ఈ స్లైడ్ కూడా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి యూ షుడ్ రిమెంబర్ ఇట్ అండ్ కాపీ ద నోట్స్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని యూ షుడ్ ఏబుల్ టు write down, draw all the structures. You should be able to draw it. Okay, did you take screenshots?
Sure. Yeah, we have
Okay,
taken
sir.
already.
Please Nana, please this is very important. And not only taking the screenshot, you should able to write it in the notes. Okay,
Yeah, sure, sir.
right, thank you. చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది బేట మీకు తెలియదు కానీ వెన్ యూ అంటే డిగ్రీ పాస్ అవుతారు మీరు డిగ్రీ ఈజీ టు పాస్ నో వన్ కేర్ హూ కేర్స్ డిగ్రీ పాస్ అయి పాస్ కావడం కాదు లైఫ్లో సెటిల్ అవ్వడం అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఐ వాంట్ యూ టు సెటిల్ ఇన్ ద లైఫ్ నాట్ ఇన్ ద యునో జస్ట్ పాసింగ్ ద డిగ్రీ ఓకే ఓకే సో కమింగ్ టు ది వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ ఫేస్ సెంటర్ అంటే సోడియం మనం రోజు ఫుడ్ లో తింటాం కదా సోడియం క్లోరైడ్ తెలుసు అందరికి యు గైస్ నో దట్ సోడియం క్లోరైడ్ ఈజ్ అ సాల్ట్ సాల్ట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో కూడా తెలియకుండానే మనం సాల్ట్ తినేస్తున్నాం కదా సాల్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూడండి సోడియం ఆటమ్స్ ఇలా ఉంటాయి బేట కార్నర్స్ ఈ బ్లూ అన్ని కూడా సోడియం ఆటమ్స్ ఈ పింక్ అన్ని కూడా ఈ పింక్ అన్ని కూడా మనకేంటి అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకోవడం టైం అయిపోతుంది ఐ గెస్ ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకున్నావా నవీన్
23 members.
హౌ మెనీ మెంబర్స్ దేర్ నౌ
23 members.
ఓన్లీ 23 why it's 23 I can
Maybe
two
we
members
don't know.
are now waiting whenever it's 20 I think now it's going to be 26 or 27 you can what happened it was yesterday it was more now it becomes like less so 26 అయితే 27 కానీ తీసేసుకో ఇక మళ్ళీ టైం అయిపోతుంది మనకు we have only 5 to 6 minutes there but I'll try to at next class ఉందా మీకు
Yeah.
you have next class ఇప్పుడే క్లాస్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నానా you don't have class right
12:10 kun.
12:10 ఉందా
12:30 kun, sir.
12:30 ఉంది now it's only 11 right
Yes, sir.
so we can spend few more minutes okay 10 minutes extra మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అవ్వండి సేమ్ లింక్
Yes.
okay I think now 25 you can try to take one attendance we'll see if you can increase members we can take again okay
Yeah, sure, sir.
సో సోడియం క్లోరైడ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ మనకు క్లియర్గా ఇలా ఉంటుంది ఇది కూడా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ టు రిమెంబర్ అండ్ సోడియం క్లోరైడ్ ఆల్సో ఇట్స్ ఎ క్యూబిక్ క్రిస్టల్ ఎఫ్సిసి వాట్ ఈస్ ద టైప్ ఆఫ్ సోడియం క్లోరైడ్ ఎఫ్సిసి ఫేస్ సెంటర్ cubic crystal so you can see how with the alignment of the sodium crystal you cannot see actually by salt but you can actual structure inside nano level it should be like this sodium atoms chloride atom sodium atom chloride atom okay so sodium chloride structure consists of equal number of sodium and equal number of chloride ions enduku because it's stable right to make it stable we need same number of ions sodium and chloride ఎన్ని సోడియం అయాన్స్ ఉంటే అన్ని sodium symbol enti Na+ right Cl minus so number of sodium ion must be equal to number of chloride ions how many ions there 6 should remember 6 beta so each ion 6 of other kind of ions nearest neighbors so there are it share with the 6 neighboring ions okay this is we do not have this but it's important to understand we do not have syllabus this కొంచెం సిలబస్ అటు ఇటు అయినా కొన్ని మ్యాక్సిమం కవర్ చేస్తున్నాను దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఇసి సాల్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూపి దిస్ ఇస్ యాక్చువల్లీ స్మాల్ సాల్ట్ పీస్ మైక్రోస్కోప్ లో చూస్తే యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు సీ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సాల్ట్ షుగర్ లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది కదా
Yes, sir. Sugar crystal la kanipistundi.
yes it seems like a sugar crystal but actual structure should be like this inner side the actual structure see how it looks like so nice It's great, right? To see this kind of structure inside a salt that we eat every day. Come on. So sodium chloride. This is the second step. And initially it is a small combination. Then it becomes like this. Then it becomes like this. Then it becomes like this. Completes. This is the we can able to see with our naked eye. So great, yeah. I mean, I definitely feel so excited. I mean, when I see this, like when I was in MSc Hyderabad Central University, so I did my MSc Central University. So when I was there, I was able to see first time this kind of 3D images. I didn't even see in degree level. You guys are lucky that you are able to see now. Okay. So now the important topic that we want to focus now, 2 minutes Sundi, but you have to join again. What is actually reciprocal lattice and direct lattice? మనం ఎప్పుడు కూడా క్రిస్టల్స్ అన్ని కూడా రెసిప్రోకల్ లాటిస్ లో చూస్తాం, రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద క్రిస్టల్స్ వీ హ్యావ్, sodium chloride, whatever, potassium chloride, all of them, there is a space called reciprocal lattice space, lattice and direct lattice. What is the relation between them? What is the direct lattice? What is the reciprocal lattice? Reciprocal, when I talk about reciprocal lattice, very important, Nana, note down this point. A point in a reciprocal lattice represent a plane in a real space. Important point. అంటే మనకు reciprocal lattice imaginary, we cannot able to see this. Real space that we can able to see the crystal. Direct space also we call it this one, direct. And the relation between the reciprocal lattice and real lattice, I'm gonna show that. But in direct space lo ila plane lo ila lines unnai kada, you can able to see all lines, right? All lines, and that represent in the reciprocal space one dot. అంటే ఇక్కడ లైన్ ఉంటే ఈ అన్ని లైన్లు parallel lines become a one dot in the reciprocal lattice. The lines, the planes, the parallel planes in the direct space represent a dot in the reciprocal lattice. Is it clear? Is it clear? అంటే
Yes, sir.
అంటే గౌతమి, డైరెక్ట్ స్పేస్ లో టైం అయిపోయింది బేటా, యూ కెన్ జాయిన్ అగైన్, టైమ్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్. ఓకే
Okay, sir.